Hello guys, this is a C200 coupe, and in this coupe model I am going to replace driver door. This is a left side door window lifter. So what are the things we have to do while replacing the window lifter? I am going to explain in this video. There are two screw T30 mm, and after removing the T30 mm screw, we can remove the door pad, door trim. This is the T30 mm screw. One, another is here behind of grip handle. Behind of, you can say, below of grip handle. And this is the plastic waste tool. I am using this tool. First of all, I am removing from here. This is the easiest way to replace the door trim, door pad. So after pushing up this plastic, using with plastic waste tool, now its door trim is loose. I am disconnecting the door handle lock. Then there are two connection for door control unit also, and one big lock is also inside. So this is the door lock. And this is the tutor. It's a small speaker and tutor also available here. So we have to disconnect the all connector because we are completely removing the door pad. This is the door control unit. So after removing this door pad, you can see the condition of this door, and we have to removing also. There are three screw for power window motor, and some connection also we have to disconnect. This is the window lifter, new one, and this is the construction of window lifter. I have also this remove install document. How many bolts are available, I can see easy because I am doing first time this job. This is a new model C class 200 coupe. I am doing first time this window lifter replacement. These are the nut I have to remove. 1 2 3 4. There are 4 nut, and also this power window. This is the coupler connector, you can see, and this two screw also I have to remove because I mark it here because this power window is different. We have to also do some setting after replacement of window lifter. These are the screw of window lifter. I am using 30 mm screwdriver. No, this is a 30 mm T30. This two screw I removed, and now I am going to make a distance from there because here is the space where the window lifter came out. Also I removed these are the connection. This is the antenna of the door control unit, keyless go antenna, and the impact switch also I disconnected on the driver door, and this is the window lifter. This connection also I have to remove. This is the part of window lifter. Also I removed there 3 screw on the power window motor. Then I remove this power window motor. These 4 nut for window lifter. So this nut is removed, and now it's a time to came out the window lifter. I'm trying to push this stud go inside, then it can come out. I fixed the new window lifter and I tied the bolt. Now I am fixing the power window motor. So I check the gap between window motor and the door. Also I verified the proper installation, otherwise it will damage the thread of window lifter, or window motor may be damaged. So I confirm there are no gap between door and power window motor. After that I tied these 3 screw. Then I tied this nut. Also I confirm it's fixed properly. This screw also T30mm. So now to time checking the gap. So this is the method to check the gap between door and door beading. Otherwise wind noise will occur. So while replacing the window lifter, make sure no more gap. So I am using this method to check and confirm the gap between door and door pad. So use the paper and lock the door and push up this door and check the how many force it's applied while removing this paper.